Yo, what's up guys, it's Chaotic Tutorials here. This is my fourth time recording this because I haven't been happy. Basically, what this video is about is a warning about, sweat coins because you have to get verified for your steps. So, they caught on with the little, like shaking phone thing. Yeah, stay away from that now because they don't verify every step you do. Okay, back to the video. So I'm doing a little video on GIF loop. Uh, if you guys, I'm going to upload the old one, just because for anyone that's not new to the channel, cause see what I'm actually talking about. Basically, what gift loop is, you earn free gift cards, and it's super, super easy. Basically, gift loop, they do daily giveaways, uh, which I've never won one, but basically, let, let me show you. I've got all of these Visa gift cards for free, and I actually received them. Basically, I'm almost to 100,000 coins. Yeah, I'm almost up to 100,000 coins. That means I can get another one. So basically, what happened is that I actually uh I actually got emails from GiftLoop that they wanted to give out coins if you like leave a review on Google Play, which is really cool. So they did that two times. I got two different amounts. Uh so I'm not going to show you the email because it's pretty hard to find. Yeah, basically, I did another one. Is you have to purchase a Visa gift card or whatever card you want, and basically they do these things now since the last update. They email you. Well, they last time they emailed me, but this time I purchased a Visa gift card, and they actually wanted to uh spon well, not sponsor. Never mind. Uh they want to they wanted to me make a video and take a picture of myself, it saying it basically if you're excited for gift loop, and I did that, and that's pretty awesome of them. Basically, uh gift loop has improved a bunch since last time I did a video. So this is a little update. So uh yeah, I have deleted all my other videos except I left one video on there, which is my moving channel, because I'm moving channels because I'm switching emails, because I'm getting non-stop emails for from Best Buy and stuff, which my email is very old. It's not filtered or anything. So yeah. Just letting you guys know that. Uh so yeah, that's all I can say. Uh Hope you guys enjoyed. Uh this was totally not off topic, like last few times. I was discussing how I was doing my Steam money little thing, but I'm not going to discuss it in this video. So I got some work to do for Steam, for I mean for the YouTube channel. So stay tuned. So yeah, see you guys later. See ya.